Today, as Rahul Gandhi will be seen in Pune at 5:30 p.m. at Chhatron Ki Gooj program that is held in Pune. As you can see in my background, as Chhatron Ki Gooj preparations are underway for the event to be held in Pune in the presence of leader of opposition in Lok Sabha and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. The fourth phase of his nationwide campaign of the Congress is being held in Pune. And in this event, Rahul Gandhi will mainly interact directly with the students and the young women. He will discuss in detail the important issues of the education, increasing unemployment, and women's security. The event is being held at 5 p.m. at the grounds of ASSMS Educational Institute near the RTO in Pune. As many as 42,000 of students have already been registered for the event, a huge crowd is expected at the venue. Keeping this crowd in the mind, the law and order situation in the mind, even the Pune police has deployed tight security. To maintain the security during the event and the properly manage the ground, special police arrangements have been made in two phases. There will be a tight security presence of around 500 police officers and staff at the venue. The police force will be keeping a close watch on the main entrance, parking lot, main square, and the entire area. Also, vehicles entering the venue will be checked. The program is likely to put a lot of pressure on the traffic area, therefore, a fleet of 700 traffic police have been deployed separately to keep the traffic flowing smoothly. The police have prepared a special traffic plan to avoid the traffic jam. The administration has also planned to use alternative routes to keep the traffic following smoothly in the crowd increasing significantly. In the view of the large crowd and increasing response from the students, the Congress party has made elaborate preparations for the program and the entire area has been taken the form of a camp. The format of the event has been kept very grand and attractive by the youth. Currently, the work of sound testing and band setting on the stage is going on at a fast pace. The event is to begin at 5 p.m. Initially, a live concert by a Bollywood playback singer can be also seen, that is Ashish Kaur. And after the cultural programs, Rahul Gandhi will start giving his speech at 6 p.m. As we have seen with that only, even the Pune police have kept around 30 conditions like the public law order conditions for this entire event where we have been seen. There's a particular number designated that is around 8,000 to 10,000 students that need to be taken place over there along with the police personnel being deployed over there and the following rules and regulations related and even will be seen that the police are divided into the two parts where one set of police personnel will be seen on the main gate and entire thing as this is the fourth phase of Rahul Gandhi where we have been seen Rahul Gandhi will be talking about the education related topic unemployment and especially he will be interacting with the girls and the women related to problems they are facing. Now we have to see what will Rahul Gandhi will give his speech at 6 p.m. today. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times.